Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Oreo mousse. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have plenty of Oreo cookies and fresh heavy cream on hand. We'll start by preparing the cookie base, then move on to whipping the cream to perfection. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly delightful and easy-to-make dessert that everyone will love. To begin, take about 15 Oreo cookies and crush them finely. You can use a food processor or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin for this. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Combine the melted butter with your crushed Oreo crumbs. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your serving dishes to form a delicious crust. Now for the mousse filling, whip 1½ cups of cold, heavy cream until soft peaks begin to form. Gradually add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, continuing to whip until just combined. Gently fold in another handful of crushed Oreo pieces. This creates that wonderful, airy texture and rich flavor. Finally, it's time to assemble your mousse. Spoon the creamy Oreo mixture over the prepared cookie crust in your serving dishes. You can garnish each serving with a sprinkle of extra Oreo crumbs or a whole cookie for a decorative touch. Place the desserts in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours before serving to allow them to set perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.